So, Gunatitanand Swami is telling in this chapter 11, વાત નંબર 148. વિભૂતિબેનને ખબર છે ને સ્વામીની વાતો નથી બેટા? હે લિટલ બીટ. સ્વામિનારાયણ ભગવાન એમની પછી ગુણાતીતાનંદ સ્વામી, એમને રહેવાનું અક્ષરધામ કહેવાય, અબોર્ડ ઓફ ભગવાનનો. જેમ વિષ્ણુ ભગવાન છે એ 1000 મુખવાળા શેષનાગની શૈયા ઉપર પડેલા હોય છે ને, આપણે જોયું છે ને પિક્ચર. સો વિષ્ણુ ભગવાન ઇઝ લેઇંગ ઓન ધી 1000-headed શેષનાગ, and that is his abode. No? The abode of Vishnu Bhagavan is Sheshnag. So when Vishnu Bhagavan took the incarnation of Lord Ram, the Sheshnag also came with him as Lakshmanji. Lakshmanji was the incarnation of Sheshnag. Bharatji was the incarnation of Shankh, the conch, that God holds, And Satrughna was the incarnation of the lotus, the Padma. That is how it is explained in Ramayana. So, Lord Ram came, then his abode came as Lakshmanji. When Lord Krishna came, his abode came as Balram. Balram was his abode, Same way when Swaminarayan Bhagavan came, Akshardham was his abode as Gunatitanand Swami who came. So after Swaminarayan Bhagavan's passing away, Gunatitanand Swami in Junagadh temple was giving the discourses, and the people were writing it down, and they collected these discourses is a book called Swamini Vato, and there are 14 chapters in the book that Pankaj Bhai is reading, and this is the 11th chapter, and every chapter has like 200-300 vato, so total there are 3,000-3,500 vato, There are so many vatos, but this is the collection that we have, So among that, this is the talk that Gunatitanand Swami is telling. But Gunatitanand Swami is referring to a talk that Swaminarayan Bhagavan had said many years ago in a town called Tera. That Tera town is very near Bhuj town in Kutch and Bhuj area. So Swaminarayan Bhagavan, when he was in Tera town, અમારા નૈનાબેનને ખબર તેરા ટાઉન ક્યાં આવ્યું? ભુજની પાસે? હા, નૈનાબેન કચ્છમાંના છે, from Kutch. So that Tera town, Swaminarayan Bhagavan told one story. The story is that there were some Muslims from the Sindh, Afghanistan area, that they had come and settled in India many years ago. But those Muslims, they were not behaving properly. So what they did is that in the town, they raped women and they did stealing and they did wrongdoing, So they were caught by the king. So the king, rather than punishing them for the death, cut off their nose, All those hundreds of Sindhis, they cut off, the king cut off their nose, જે ત્યાં સિંધી લોકો હતા એમનો એ રાજા હતો, તેરા ગામનો રાજા, એણે બધા સિંધુએ ખરાબ કામ કરેલા એટલે એમના નાક કાપી નાખ્યા, એટલે બધા નાક વગરના થઈ ગયા, નકટા. એટલે અહીં કહે છે તેરા ગામમાં મહારાજે વાત કરી, જે રાજાએ સંધિનો નાક કાપ્યો એ બધા નકટાએ આગળ જઈને એક ગામ વસાવ્યું. So they left that town and they settled and established a small village away from Teragam, from their place. So now they had children, and children had nose. એમને જે છોકરો થયો એ છોકરો નાકવાળો થયો. પેલા છોકરો મોટો થાય 8-10 વર્ષના એટલે મા બાપને પૂછે કે અમારે નાક છે ને તમારે નાક કેમ નથી? We have nose, children, 8-9 years old kids would tell their parents that we have nose, but how come you don't have nose? એટલે પેલા મા બાપ બધા શરમાણા કે આપણાથી એવું કહેવાય નહીં કે મેં ખોટું કામ કર્યું હતું એટલે મારા નાક કાપી કાઢ્યા છે. The parents would not tell the truth that we had done some wrongdoing. That's why we were punished and our nose was cut off. So instead they thought that rather than them observing and telling us that we don't have nose, we will cut off their nose as they are born. એ બધા છોકરાઓના પણ જન્મે પહેલાં જ નાક કાપી નાખવાના એટલે બધા સરખા જ લાગે, આપણા જેવા જ લાગે નકટા. હવે છોકરાઓએ તો કશું ખરાબ કર્યું નથી. Those kids, they have not done anything wrong, right? But they wanted to hide their sins, their wrongdoing. That's why they cut off the nose of the young kids. છોકરાઓનો બી નાક એ લોકોએ કાપી નાખ્યા. બધા નકટાએ જઈને આગળ ગામ વસાવ્યું. તેમને છોકરો થયો તે તો નાકવાળો. તે છોકરોએ માવતરને પૂછવા માંડ્યું છે અમારે નાક ને તમારે નાક કેમ નહીં? પછી ઓલ્યા શરમાણા એટલે છોકરાનો નાક કાપી નાખ્યા. અને બીજા જન્મે કે તરત નાક કાપી નાખે. એમ પોતા જેવા કરવામાં સૌને તાન છે. So the essence now, Gunatitanand Swami saying, is that a robber will teach whoever comes in the company how to rob. A smoker will teach whoever in the company to smoke. A drunkard will teach whoever comes in the company to drink. So everybody who has good habit or bad habit, they will try to convert the others according to their habits. So those who have good habits, that is good, then they will become elevated. But those who have bad habits, what would you gain? You will get your nose cut off. That will happen. So, Gunatitanand Swami says, એમ પોતા જેવા કરવામાં સૌને તાન છે. Everybody has a goal to convert others to whatever they are doing. These Muslims, they change their kids, by cutting their nose so that they are also, shameless. એમ સત્સંગમાં પાપી ભરાણા છે. Now Gunatitanand Swami is focusing that in our satsang also there are bad guys and they will teach you the bad things, bad messages. તેમ સત્સંગમાં પણ પાપી ભરાણા છે. તે પોતે નરકમાં જશે અને બીજાને પણ નરકમાં નાખશે. So they would end up into the hell, but they would take others together with them to the hell also. Now, how to recognize in satsang? Because in satsang, we trust, that satsang is our crown of our head, So, Swami says, અને તે કેટલાક ભૂત યોનીને પામશે. Somebody will become ghosts. અત્યારે તો ખેલે છે અને સત્સંગને વગોવે છે. Right now they are doing wrongdoing in satsang and they are blaming on satsang. તેનું શું? What do we do with that? So Gunatitanand Swami is giving the guidance, that there are certain guidelines and rules. And if you see something is not performed and followed, then you want to stay away. Otherwise, you will be also in trouble, And this satsang is very pure. ગુણાતીતાનંદ સ્વામી says, પણ આવો મહાનિર્મળ અને નિષ્કલંક ઉજ્જવળ સત્સંગ છે. This satsang in the Junagadh, Gunatitanand Swami was teaching and preaching, was very pure, very elevated. Everybody was coming there with the positive vibrations, Just like when we come to this mandir here, we feel that there is a very powerful, pure vibration, There was one devotee who came from Canada, Gopal Bhai, and he comes, he came Waukegan also. He does art of living, that, South Indian person. So he came here, about 2 months ago with his bhabhi, from Canada. And his bhabhi was also practicing meditation, When she came here, she says, I feel a different vibration here, I feel very positive vibrations, So we have created this vibration here. But our, responsibility is that we don't want to get into the wrong company, or we don't want to create a wrong company, or we don't want to be wrong, That is the goal of our satsang, So ગુણાતીતાનંદ સ્વામી કહે છે કે આવો મહાનિર્મળ ને નિષ્કલંક ને ઉજ્જવળ સત્સંગ છે તેને કલંક લગાડે છે. They are spoiling the good atmosphere. અને સારાને સંતાપે છે. On top of that, those who are doing bad, wrong, and those who are doing good, they rebuke the good doer, Those who are doing good, they would tell them, that you are wrong, you are do this, you should do this, you should do that. So સારાને પણ સંતાપે. They give hard time to the person who is with pure intention, pious, Because a person who is pious would be normally of soft nature, devotional nature, and he would not be aggressive, He would not be, doing, something out of the way, અને સારાને પણ સંતાપે છે. And then Gunatitanand Swami is giving another example. The coal that we burned, what color the coal is? Black, right? So black coal does not have anything to worry about that it would get spoiled. It is already spoiled. But whoever touches the black coal on the cloth will get a black spot. એટલે કહે છે કે કોયલાને ડાઘનો ભય નથી. કોયલો હોય એને ડાઘ લાગવાનો ભય લાગે? The one who is already spoiled, he will not have anything, to worry about. માટે સારાને સાવધાન થઈને સત્સંગ રાખવો. So those who are good, they should be very alert, and then they should maintain the satsang properly. If we are not careful, then we would have problem. Just like we were talking to our NG Ben, that she had a brand new car, and a guy was watching to steal that car. And from our garage driveway, only one day she forgot to keep the key. She left the key inside, started the car, and came inside. In only 2-3 minutes, a guy came and took away the car. ગાડી ચોરી ગયો. ખાલી 2-3 મિનિટમાં જ, એ લાગ જોઈને જ બેઠા હોય. They are just watching, they are waiting for our mistake. But we have to be very alert, we have to be very careful, that we create good habits so that we don't make mistakes, And it's always learning lesson, So Gunatitanand Swami says, સારાને સાવધાન થઈને સત્સંગ રાખવો. The religious and pious people should be always careful, should be always alert, and keep the satsang so that they do not fall down from their mistakes or from their errors. આપણી ભૂલ નહીં થવા દેવી. આજે સરસ જો અમારા કેતનભાઈ ને એમનું કુટુંબ બધું આવ્યું આજે. એમના વિભૂતિબેનના બર્થડે નિમિત્તે. On behalf of Vibhuti-ben's birthday, we are doing Mahapuja. And Ketanbhai, he is sponsoring everybody for a nice food today. બધાને સરસ જમાડશે. અમારા વિભૂતિબેન બી બહુ ભક્તિભાવવાળા છે, પણ હમણાં 3-4 વસ્તુ છે એમને. Our Vibhuti-ben, she is going to college. Then she is working full-time job, nursing job, right? નૈનાબેન તમારે બી એ ટાઈપનું ને? નૈનાબેન બી એવું કરે છે. હે? યુ હેવ ડન રિહેબ? અને તમે? નર્સિંગનું. સો શી ઇઝ ઇન નર્સિંગ. યુ હેડ ડન નર્સિંગ, રાઈટ? સો અવર Emily-ben, she has done nursing, you know. And Vishna. And Emily-ben is working in which hospital? Rush University. She is full-time there, you know, working there. Her mom is also working there. So Amara Vibhuti-ben is doing college, just like Emily was doing, right? And then she is working full-time, and then she is doing child care, raising the kids, you know, at home. એટલે અમારા કેતનભાઈને શાંતિ 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 છે. તો કેતનભાઈ આવે છે તો આજે સરસ ગોઠવાયું અહીંયા ઘરે. તો આજે સરસ વી પ્રે ટુ સ્વામિનારાયણ ભગવાન એન્ડ ઓલ ગુણાતીત સેન્ટ્સ. અમારા વિભૂતિબેનને બધા સરસ માર્ક સારા આવે, સરસ રીતે એ ગ્રેજ્યુએટ થઈ જાય અને સરસ જોબ બી સારી બીજી મળે, કે જે જોબ છે ત્યાં વધારે પ્રમોશન મળે. હે બેટા? સરસ. ચાલો, સહજાનંદ સ્વામી મહારાજની જય જય જય.